An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. It provides additional information about the noun, such as its size, color, shape, or quality. Adjectives help to make our language more vivid and expressive by adding details and enhancing the meaning of the words they describe. Here are a few examples of adjectives. Beautiful. The sunset painted a beautiful sky. Enormous. The elephant is an enormous creature. Delicious. The aroma of the freshly baked cookies was delicious. Happy. She had a happy smile on her face. Brave. The firefighter displayed brave actions during the rescue. Cold. The icy wind made the day feel cold. Adorable. The puppy had an adorable face. Sparkling. The stars shone brightly in the sparkling night sky. Intelligent. He was known for his intelligent and insightful ideas. Serene. The peaceful lake had a serene atmosphere. These are just a few examples, and there are countless adjectives that can be used to describe different aspects of people, places, things, and ideas. Adjectives play a crucial role in making our language more engaging and descriptive.